Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones JBL Live Flex 3 with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon, then go to Settings, now choose Devices and click Add Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth. Now open the case and it should enter to pairing mode automatically. Now we can see it, so click on your headphones. Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!